The client sent me these images and said he wanted something like that. And for this shoot, I decided to use a beauty dish. And the reason why I decided to use a beauty dish for this shoot is because I wanted the light to be on my subject. I don't want the light to spread on the background. So I just wanted the light only on my subject. And my beauty dish was placed on my main light, which is the 8600 BM. And that light was placed on a stand which I just hung above my subject, as you can see from this video right here. If you notice, you can see I added another light at the back of my subject. That's because I wanted to create a separation between my subject and the background. Without that light, my subject is just going to blend with the background, and that's not what I want. That is why I introduced another light so that I can create that separation between my subject and the background. So these are my test shots, and these are part of the images I selected right here. So this is one of the images I selected. So as you can see, these are backlights right here actually created that separation between our subject and the background. You can clearly see our subject and you can see the background. So for the face of my client, and you can see how the light falls on the subject, this is really what I want. So this is the image straight from camera, and I use ISO 400. My shutter speed is set to 1/1000 of a second, and my aperture is set to 2.0, and I used a 35mm for this image right here. So this was straight out of camera, and this was after editing. So this was the final image. So after exporting the image to my phone, the image was looking really good. But then I wanted the color grading to look like this image right here that the client sent to me. So I wasn't having access to my laptop at that particular time. So I decided to use my phone to just tweak the image to make it look exactly like the one the client sent. And this was the before and this is the after. So that's how I shot this image. And if you learned something for this video, make sure to give this video a like so that more people can see this video and learn from this video as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.